Hey guys, how we doing? How's it going? My name is Amanda Turner and I am a real estate agent in Lake Chapala, Mexico. I don't know if those lights behind me are blinding you as much as they're blinding me, but this has been an eventful day and I didn't have time to film during sunlight, which we didn't even have today. It was kind of overcast. So I'm filming at like midnight. So I had to turn the brightness up on my phone a little bit so that you could actually see me. Today we're looking at 3 properties that are in the price range of $348,000 US to $409,000 US. But before we get started, let me just say, if you are looking to buy or sell in the Lake Chapala area, you can contact me at amanda@lakechapalarealty.com. If you're looking to buy, I can send you some listings from the MLS so you can kind of get a feel for what's on the market. And if you are looking to sell, you can email me there also, and I can come do an opinion of value for you on your home so that you can know how much your home will sell for. Also, please don't forget to check out my website, therealamandaturner.com, where you will find a link to our bed and breakfast, our cafe, both located in Ajijic Centro, and both just won Best of Lake Chapala for Best Bed and Breakfast and Best Coffee for the 2nd year in a row. And on my website, you can also find a link to the MLS if you'd like to just go check out what's on the market right now. Last but not least, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments down below with any questions. If you feel so inclined, you can leave a super thanks tip on this video. And anybody who leaves a super thanks tip with a question, I will answer it in detail in the next video. Okay, on to the tour. So our first home today is located in El Dorado, which is considered San Antonio, but it's on the Libramiento as you would be heading to Guadalajara, the airport, wherever. And El Dorado is actually one of my favorite gated communities because their clubhouse is excellent. I didn't attach a video of the clubhouse to this video, so I am actually going to link a video at the end of this video. How many times can Amanda say video in one video? So you'll be able to just click on that and go to the 4th house in that video, and you'll be able to see the clubhouse at El Dorado. All right, let's go check out this house. Alrighty, first home on tour is listed at $348,000 US. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom on 1 level. Construction size is 230 square meters or 2,477 square feet. The lot size is 396 square meters or 4,259 square feet. Your HOA is 9,300 pesos quarterly. It comes furnished and it's located in El Dorado. Should enjoy the fruits of life instead of chasing coins. Okay, real quick side note. I just want to say that I am very sorry for all of the panning in these videos. I know they're kind of zoomy zoom, but it's a little tricky to get all the detail into one video. Like, I want you guys to kind of see how the rooms flow, you know, how you get from one room to the next room, and try to show you as much detail as possible. So it's a little tricky to do without making you sick. Forget the rush, you're in and find a good spot. Sit down and join us as we sing a good song. Kick back, relax, and just follow along. Time. Taking it easy won't cost you a dime. Throw another log onto the fire. Because it's a beautiful day. And come on, let's play. We are in El Dorado. So here are the condos at El Dorado, and this is all your clubhouse right here. Tennis, pickleball, infinity pool. It looks like a walking track. I never saw that, but looks like that may be. You've got a gym in here and a massage room and a nice big community room with a kitchen and tables and chairs and pool tables. All right, so El Dorado is a very nice gated community. If you want to exit out of the community, you'd be right here on the Libramiento, and this takes you straight into Ajijic. So as you can see, this road is the Libramiento, and this goes to Guadalajara or comes back down into Chapala. So, all right, here's the Ajijic Plaza right here. If you were doing some shopping, you've got some restaurants right in here around there, and down here too. Gas station right there, easy to get to from there. You've got the Centro Laguna Mall that's got movie theaters and a cute little bakery and a breakfast place and a food court that includes Subway and Trips Burger, which is actually one of the best burgers in town. Walmart, so let's say if you were to drive straight from, like, here's the exit, straight down, Walmart's right here, probably take you like, I don't know, 3 minutes to get there. What else? Okay, and then San Antonio Hospital is going to be right in here too, so your emergency services would come from there. The fire department is right up here. Here it is, right here. So that's not too bad. So if your house catches on fire, which is not likely to happen, the fire trucks would come from right here and it'd take them like 2 minutes to get to you. So your house will not burn down that bad, you know? You know what I'm saying? But home fires don't happen here because everything's made of, you know, brick and concrete and everything. P.S. Here are some of my favorite restaurants around here. Las Palmas Ajijic, Trips Burger, La Paseña. Okay, second home on our tour today is located in Chapala Haciendas, which is one of the last neighborhoods as you leave the Lake Chapala area and you're on your way to Guadalajara. This is a beautiful home. It's very well maintained. I know the owners. They're great people. And yeah, I really like it. And if you're someone who doesn't want a yard, who doesn't want the maintenance of a yard, this is that house where it has an excellent view of the lake, but you know, you don't have all the maintenance of a pool in a yard. So half my buyers want pools and yards, half of them don't want anything to do with that. So let's go check it out. Here we go. $378,000 US. 2 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom on 2 levels. Your construction size is 330 square meters or 3,552 square feet. The lot size is 293 square meters or 3,154 square feet. Your HOA is 1,000 pesos per month. It comes partially furnished and it's located in Chapala Haciendas. Okay, second house on our tour is located right here in Chapala Haciendas. And I've told you guys this before, that Chapala Haciendas is like the last neighborhood in the area until you are officially on your way to Guadalajara and you're entering new towns like Ixtlahuacan. So if we exit, you're not exiting right here. You are exiting probably right here, and you can go into Guadalajara, or you can come down this highway into Chapala down here, or you can come down this highway and bang a right and come into Ajijic, San Antonio, Riberas. You can also get to Chapala this way too, along the lake, if you'd like to. So if you are living in Chapala Haciendas, your shopping will be done in Chapala, most likely at this Soriana, which is basically like a Walmart, but I like Soriana much, much better than Walmart. There's a Walmart in Ajijic as well, but this, to me, like the employees are very happy, very friendly. They all look clean and nice, and the store, I feel like, has a lot more options, and it's bright. So yeah, that's nice. Also, this restaurant, Letra CH, is very nice, very good restaurant, seafood, delicious. And then all throughout Chapala, you have so much shopping and dining and markets and lots of things in here to do. The Chapala Malecon is very nice. Chapala Malecon is very lively and a lot of people out there. So let me zoom out real quick because I haven't done this in this video yet. So let's see. So here is Chapala Haciendas here. Here's Chapala. This highway will lead you into Riberas, Ajijic, San Juan Cosala, and into Jocotepec. So this is what we call Lakeside, like this whole area here. Just for shits and giggles, we're gonna go to Soriana from this location. So from that house to Soriana is about a 15-minute drive. From this house to Ajijic Centro is 23 minutes. From this house to the airport is a 25-minute drive. Third home we're looking at today is located in Ajijic Centro. I know, everybody get real excited. This is also a very beautiful home. And the coolest thing about it is that it has rental potential for 2 tenants. One has a separate entrance and the other one you have to go through the house to get to. But, you know, if you like your tenants, then that would work. Or you could just put your mother-in-law in there. Or you put her in the one that has the separate entrance so you don't ever have to see her. Unless you like your mother-in-law, which I do. So that's a different story. Let's go check it out. Last but not least, this home is listed at $409,000 US. It's a 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom on 2 levels. Construction size is 266 square meters or 2,863 square feet. The lot size is 256 square meters or 2,757 square feet. It is not located in a gated community. It does not come furnished. Hi guys! And it's located in Ajijic Centro. Okay, third and final home on our tour is located right here in Ajijic Centro. Okay, let me help you get your bearings here. Here's the home right here. And if you wanted to go to Ajijic Centro, you would have to walk 1
3.5 blocks to the center of Ajijic, where you've got a bank right here. You've got like an all-purpose store, a liquor store. They have cigars in there. There are some restaurants through here. And then this is Colón here, and this has got a lot of good restaurants and some shopping. Tango is a really good restaurant, very popular, been here for many, many years. And, you know, you can't fail with Tango. And right down here is the Ajijic Malecón. And if you wanted to walk there, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks. So that's, you know, not bad.
All right, everybody, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some insight as to what's available on the market in this area. And if you're looking to sell a home, it will kind of give you an idea of what your home may be worth. If you are looking to do either of those things, buy or sell, you can email me at amanda@lakechapalarealty.com and I can help you out with that. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.